So I've started on a really bumpy ride on Delhi street. I'm with my good friend Ashish. Ashish, say hello to everyone. The camera is shaking, sorry about it, so am I. But that's the price you pay for having good food. The place in Old Delhi, Kareem's, was incredibly good. Looking at food being cooked on coals, on these really old pots. And then we saw that BBC actually called it one of the best places to have breakfast, better than bacon and eggs. Amazingly simple and old menu. Until we reached, Aslam's butter chicken. So he's making butter chicken. So this is quite a different butter chicken than you know. That's a lot of butter. All of that? That's all butter.